Tezos value equivalent to 22,366 rands a coin. The present cost range 21.85 to 24.40 370. The earlier day close 24.775. The change was 1,409 640%. Opposite rate ZAR to XTZ. Tezos cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 21.85 rands. Excessive cost 27.12, while low cost 21.85. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.04. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 25.35, change for July 16%. Tezos figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at 25.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.02, while low cost 25.35. The found the middle value of cost 27.20. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 28.06, change for August 10.7%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 20.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.88, while low cost 28.06. The found the middle value of cost 29.93. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 30.73, change for September 9.5%. Tezos estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 30.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.66, while low cost 28.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.57. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 30.52, change for October's 0.7%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 30.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.52, while low cost 25.07. The found the middle value of cost 28.27. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 26.96, change for November 11.7%. Tezos estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 26.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.04, while low cost 24.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 26.40. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 26.21, change for December 2.8%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 26.21 rands. Excessive cost 28.47, while low cost 24.75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 26.51. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 26.61, change for January 1.5%. Tezos conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 26.61 rands. Excessive cost 27.77, while low cost 24.13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 26.12. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 25.95, change for February 2.5%. Tezos cost expectation for WARP 2025. In the first place cost at 25.95 rands. Excessive cost 25.95, while low cost 22.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.48. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 23.85, change for spring 8.1%. Tezos figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 23.85 rands. Excessive cost 24.44, while low cost 21.24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.9. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 22.84, change for April 4.2%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 22.84 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.43, while low cost 22.84. The found the middle value of cost 24.69. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 25.64, change for May 12.3%. Tezos conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at 25.64 rands. Excessive cost 31.82, while low cost 25.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28.21. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 29.74, change for June 16%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 29.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.34, while low cost 28.10. The found the middle value of cost 30.10. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.22, change for July 1.6%. Tezos gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at 30.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.85, while low cost 28.55. The found the middle value of cost 30.58. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.70, change for August 1.6%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 3070 rands. Exorbitant cost 3313, while low cost 2889. The found the middle value of cost 3097. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 3106. Change for September 12%. Tezos gauge for October 2025. To start with, cost at 3106 rands. Exorbitant cost 3314, while low cost 2890. The found the middle value of cost 3107. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 3107. Change for October 0%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 3107 rands. Exorbitant cost 3107, while low cost 2584. The found the middle value of cost 2894. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 2779. Change for November 10.6%. Tezos gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 2779 rands. Exorbitant cost 3450, while low cost 2779. The found the middle value of cost 3058. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 3224. Change for December 16%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 3224 rands. Excessive cost 3505, while low cost 3047. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3263. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 3276. Change for January 16%. Tezos figure for February 2026. Before all else, cost at 3276 rands. Excessive cost 3561, while low cost 3095. The found the middle value of cost 3315. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 33.8. Change for February 16%. Tezos cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 3318 rands. Exorbitant cost 3618, while low cost 3144. The found the middle value of cost 3368. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 3381. Change for spring 16%. Tezos estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 3381 rands. Excessive cost 3582, while low cost 3114. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3356. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 3348. Change for April 1%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 3348 rands. Exorbitant cost 3638, while low cost 3162. The found the middle value of cost 3387. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 34 doesn't change for May 16%. Tezos figure for June 2026. Before all else, cost at